today's question is from integration. The question is evaluate x tan inverse x dx, integration of x tan inverse x dx. Now if you look into the sum, x is a function and tan inverse x is also a function. So this is integration of product of two functions, and we know whenever we get any integration of product of two functions, then we use integration by parts. So what is integration by parts? Integration by parts is first function, formula is this, first function into integration of the second function minus whole integration of ddx of first function into integration of the second function whole dx. This is the formula of integration by parts. So naturally we need to select which one is my first function and which one is my second function. How do we select? We select using this islet, where I is inverse trigonometric function, L is logarithmic function, A is algebraic function, T is trigonometric functions, and E is exponential function. So here tan inverse x is an inverse function. So since this is inverse function, so this will be my first function and this will be my second function. So now if we go about by the sum, therefore I will be equals to first function, so tan inverse x into integration of second function, that is x dx, minus whole integration ddx of first function, so ddx of tan inverse x into integration of first function, that is x dx whole of dx. So tan inverse x as it is, integration of x dx will be x square by 2 minus whole integration ddx of tan inverse is 1 by 1 plus x square into integration of x dx will be x square by 2. This is whole dx. This is equals to, you can write x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus, from here half I can take outside, so this will be x square by 1 plus x square dx. Now after this, what is the next step? The next step, if we can do by two methods. Now first I'll show you one method and then I'll show you the other method how you can do this. This half, this is my numerator, this is my denominator. What I can do, I'll try to arrange the numerator like the denominator. So this is x square and this is 1 plus x square means x square plus 1. So I can write this is x square plus 1. So I'll try to arrange this one x square plus 1. So if I make it x square plus 1, means I have added 1. If I have added 1, I'll subtract 1. So this will become like this. So this becomes x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus half integration of this x square plus 1 will be one term. So this I can write x square plus 1 by x square plus 1. This is my one term, and minus integration of 1 by x square plus 1 dx. That is my second term. I splitted this. So x square plus 1, x square plus 1 cancels, so this becomes 1 dx. So integration of 1 dx minus 1 by x square plus 1. So we have applied the method. We arrange the numerator like denominator by adding and subtracting. The other method is, whenever you will get this particular thing, the other method, if whenever you get the numerator and the denominator of same degree, or the degree of the numerator is greater than the denominator, then what we do? We divide the numerator by denominator. So we'll divide the numerator. Numerator is x square by 1 plus x square. So 1 plus x square, see, we'll write it as x square plus 1. We'll put the variable first. Now for division we have done this in our class 9-10. That how we do these divisions, long divisions, only we look into the first terms. Then how can I get x square? What should I multiply with x square so that I can get x square? I can multiply 1. So 1 into x square will give me x square. 1 into 1, that will give me plus 1. So both are same sign. So to cancel it, we'll change the sign. So this will become minus, this will become minus, this cancels. So minus 1 comes as the denominator. So 1 is the quotient and 1 minus 1 is the remainder. So this can be written as 1 plus minus 1 by x square plus 1. 1 plus minus this. So minus into plus, this will become 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1. I will do this thing. And see, this is same thing. 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1. This same thing. So you can do by this method or you can do by this division method. Now, x square by 2, tan inverse x minus half. If I integrate 1 dx, integration of 1 dx will give me x, and integration of 1 by x square plus 1 dx will give me tan inverse x. You must know the formulas. If you know the formulas, these sums are not pretty tough, I tell you. X square by 2 tan inverse x minus half x minus minus plus half tan inverse x plus c. Mind it, c comes here also because we have completed the integration part here. So this term and this term, both this term has got tan inverse x. So if I take tan inverse x common, so you get x square plus 1 by 2 tan inverse x minus this half x plus c. This is my answer. Hope you have followed this method of doing this sum, integration by parts, and I have shown you two methods in this particular step can be done in two ways. And if you have liked it, I'll give you another sum for you to try yourself and leave your answer in the comment.